What is the yellow thing around me?
It is focusing on you.
What?
Yes, that is a focus.
That's myself. No, seriously.
Seriously, what? You love yourself.
Yeah. Still focusing me.
Yes.
Oh.
Now he's focusing on everyone.
All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Yeah.
Ma, you sing well? Who sing? You sing well, no? Yes, you said you're good at singing.
Yeah.
He sings well.
When I say that,
If you vote for me, I will
कुछ मत करो, बस इनको देखो.
coronavirus-
What? Coronavirus what?
it's a secret.
I keep it secret until you vote.
Presidential secret.
So we have to walk that
Everybody
much again.
get an Indian child.
Everybody get an engine.
I want one like the girl that's
Yeah.
the cute one.
So आप यहाँ आओ. इतनी सी मैगी लोगों ने 50 रुपए में दी है. ये फास्ट पे है सर, लेकिन खा नहीं सकते. Unfortunately.
Too much spicy, yes.
Yeah.
Maybe we can have some bread or something.
And
It's too much spicy.
it's not spicy. Let me try.
I love. Oh, now I have bread.
She is आई. मैं आंख का तारीफ क्या कर दिया. ये बंदा मेरे पे चढ़ रहा है. ये बंदा मेरे पे चढ़ रहा है. ये अश्लील आदमी है. What are you?
You have beautiful eyes.
No, I don't have beautiful eyes. You have beautiful eyes. Stay away. Stay away. The Great Wall of China.
That's why the camera is on. When he turned off, he really is like.
Sir, your eyes.
I love your smelly socks.
No, no. Chee, 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 chee.
Because he's
I should.
President.
So guys, इनको वोट करें. ये US प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन में खड़े होने वाले हैं. He is crazy. So
Told
छोटा.
you, this is because of my past.
So that cute छोटा वाला बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा वाला बच्चा आ रहा है. बच्चा भी प्यारा है.
You are in love with that girl.
No, I'm not in love with that girl. मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से. ये आदमी अश्लील हो गया है. No.
But in the night.
He's so shy in front of the camera. But if you turn it off,
I don't want to go viral. I don't want to go viral. I don't want to go viral.
After the marriage, everything gets wild.
you like the Maggi noodles.
I want that noodle.
Spicy.
I want that pink noodle.
What?
That pink noodle.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I introduce myself.
there above.
Oh yes, at the sun. So good.
What the hell are you doing? What the hell is doing? I don't want to record you anymore.